Welcome back to Intro to Computers, the Excel introduction. This Excel introduction begins with the service calls example, and we are now on step number 9. In step number 9, the total charge for each service call is equal to the hourly rate multiplied by the number of hours plus the charge for the parts. In cell 08, enter a formula to calculate this total charge for the customer, and then copy that formula to the rest of the service charges in column O. Using your mouse, select cell 08, and as all formulas, we begin with the equal sign, and that is followed by, let's take the number of hours represented in cell L8, multiply that by the hourly rate, shift 8, and the hourly rate is in cell M8, M as in Mary, and then we're going to add the amount for parts, plus N as in Nancy, 8. And we will accept this data. Using the magic green square in the bottom right-hand corner, select that square with your mouse, left click and hold, and drag it down the worksheet until you reach cell 027. Using the name box, select the cell B4. Here we're going to add up the number of calls by using the count function. Now, as in formulas, functions begin with an equal sign. Equal sign, then the word count. If you happen to type it in lowercase letters, it's not a problem. Microsoft Excel will fix it. Then, use the open parens, that's shift 9. Using your mouse, we're going to select all of the cells that have an hourly amount in them. Now, rate. Let's select the rate and select down. Then accept our work. Notice we have 20 calls. So far, so good. Next up, in the cell B5, there was a formula that was entered, but it isn't quite right. Select the cell B5, and then move your cursor to the formula bar, and select a space to the right of the formula and left click. You'll notice that the service charges don't quite collect all of the service charges. One way to fix that is to use your mouse and bring it over to the service charge box where you see the bottom right corner of the box. You should see 2 arrows moving in a diagonal position. Left click and hold, and then move down. When you have all of the service charges selected, you can release the left click and accept your work.